Arutwo aria mareka kigeranio mwaka-ini uyu a thukuru wa Muthingi wa Kebuse thiini wa Kaunti ya Nyamira nimamukirite uteithio wa indo cia kuhuthira thiini wa kigeranio giki kiao kuuma kwi Ruhonge Rumwe ruria rurikanite kana ruria Rwiruteire gucokia Guoko kuri Matuura na principal wa cukuru uyu niwe Josephine Omwenga Akimacokeria Ngatho Guoko agithie na mbere gwitia uteithio kuona cukuru ucio ni ukoragwo ugumirwo ni mathina maingi na njira nene.
And basically also here to support the class 8 and grade 6 candidates with some other basic requirements they need for their exam so that they can have it easier when they're going to sit for their final exam. That's why basically we're here, and we have been doing this. We're not only concentrating on education, we also want.
So grateful, and we are also requesting that if there is any other foundation around, to come and join hands to this daily teacher foundation so that they help our learners, and at the end of it, this community will shine. And if the community will shine, you might not find any theft or anything, any corruption around, because the community will be learned. So we are really grateful, and we ask you to come back once more after the exams are out and find out if it's out. And I'm sure these runners will do better than what they scored.